In order to allow your employees to plan their leaves or vacation beforehand or in advance, you need to track the leave or vacation balance. Leave or vacation tracker is a software or tool which allows you to keep proper track of employees' leave on regular basis. In today's video, we will see how we can track employee leave in Excel on daily, weekly, monthly and yearly basis. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays. This is the leave tracker which I have created in Excel. Before creating the new format, let's see how it works. On the top we have got month and year. In the left hand side we have got option to select our week offs. I have kept 2 week offs. From here means from the drop down we can select our week offs. In case you have got just 1 week off, just select none from the top and only 1 week off will be highlighted. In this format 2 things are going to highlight. One will be our week offs and second will be our holidays. We have got just one entry sheet and over here we will have to do the entries for the whole year. When we come to right hand side, all our months are over here in this format. When our months are changing, the colors are also changing so that we can differentiate when our months are getting changed and new month is going to start. When we come to extreme right hand side, over here we have got our yearly summary. For monthly summary, click here. When I click over here, we got diverted to another sheet. And in this sheet, we can put our date range and all the leaves of that specific date range will be visible. From 1st Jan to 31st December 24. In case I'll change the date range from here, if I'll do it 1st Jan to August 24, all the leaves of that specific date range will be visible. And on the top we can see date range also got changed. To create this sheet, we will need some data and I have kept my data in my settings sheet. Over here we have got our holidays list along with dates, employee details, months and days. In days we have got name of our weekdays from Monday to Sunday and on top of Monday we have got none. Let's start creating a new format now. I'm not going to create outline because outline takes lots of time. We will just put our heads and our formulas. I have taken the setting sheet from my example file. I'll come to my blank format and over here I'll put my heads. This will be month and year. Week offs. Over here we will create drop down for months. I'll go to data, data validation. From here I'll select list, source. I'll go to my setting sheet. We'll take this to left side and from here I'll select months from January to December and we'll do OK. So the drop down for months got created. I'll select January. I'll click just under January and we'll create drop down for years. We'll go to data, data validation. From here I'll select list, source. Over here I'll type my years manually from 2024 to 2030 and I'll do OK. So the drop down list for years got created. I'll select 2024. Week offs. Over here we will create drop down for our weekdays so that we can select our week offs from here. I'll select both. We'll go to data, data validation. From here I'll select list, source. I'll go to my setting sheet. We'll take this to left side and from here I'll select days from none till Sunday and we'll do OK. So my drop down list got created. I'll select none and over here also I'll select none. We'll adjust the column size. Now I'll select both. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to and over here I'll type none. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select blue color. Font color will also be blue and we'll do OK. OK. So whenever it will be none, nothing will be visible and whenever I'll select any weekday, specific weekday will be visible. I'll select Saturday and over here I'll select Sunday. Perfect. This will be holidays. Serial number, employee code, employee name, designation, department, active, yes or no. And this will be last working date. Serial number. I'll put the numbers manually. We'll drag it down. Fill series. Employee code. All my employee codes are over here in my setting sheet. And we are going to connect our setting sheet with mark attendance. So I'll click just under the head of employee code. We'll press plus or equal to. We'll go to my setting sheet. We'll click on first employee code and we'll hit enter. Now I'll drag it down. So all the employee codes are over here now. Employee name. We are going to use VLOOKUP. So the formula will be plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. Employee code will be our lookup value, comma, table array. I'll go to my setting sheet and we'll select all the details of my employee. We'll select from employee code till department. The basic reason behind selecting the data from top, in case my employee list increases in future, I'll not have to change my range again and again. Now I'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged. Comma, column index number. So I want employee name. So I'll have to provide column number or column index number. For VLOOKUP, I have selected my data from here, employee code. So this will be my column number 1, this will be 2. So I'll put 2 over here, comma 0, we'll close the bracket. But before hitting the enter, I'll insert the criteria of if error. We'll go to formula bar and we'll insert the criteria. If error, bracket open, will come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we can see name of first employee. Before dragging this, we will go to formula bar and just before our lookup value, which is C7, we will insert $. Now I'll hit enter. We'll drag this to designation and department. In designation and department, we can see the names. So we will have to change our column index number or column number. We'll go to my setting sheet. Name is in column number 2, designation in 3 and department in 4. Now we will go to our mark leaves and over here we will change the column index number. Designation, it's 3, enter, and for department, it's 4, enter. I'll select all 3 and we'll drag it down. Active, yes or no. I'll select this, means I'll select the whole column. We'll go to data, data validation. From here I'll select list, source. It will be yes, comma, no, and we'll do OK. We'll leave it selected. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here I'll type yes. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select green color. Font color will be white and we'll do OK. OK. We'll go to conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule, equal to, and this time I'll type no. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select red color. Font, my font color will be white and we'll do OK. OK. So whenever it will be yes, it will be highlighted in green, and whenever it will be no, it will be highlighted in red. We'll delete no and we'll drag yes till last employee. We'll mark few employees as no. The employees who have resigned, we are going to select no from them, means they are not active. Perfect. Last working day. So the employees who have already resigned, means their notice period is over now. We will have to provide last working date over here. I'll take some random dates. Now we will insert our dates over here, and the formula for first date will be plus or equal to date value, bracket open, double inverted comma 1, double inverted comma close, and I'll select month and I'll select year. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got some random figures over here. We'll select this, we'll press Ctrl 1, we'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format and we'll do OK. So we can see 1st of Jan over here now. We'll click next to 1st Jan and we'll insert the formula, and the formula will be plus or equal to if, bracket open, first date, we'll press function F4 3 times, is smaller than, means first date is smaller than Eomonth, means end of the month. We'll select first date once again, we'll press function F4 and the cell will be logged, comma 0, bracket close, comma, we'll select first date once again, plus 1, bracket close, and we'll hit enter. So we got our second date now. We'll click next to first date and we'll insert the formula for day, and the formula will be plus or equal to text, bracket open, we'll select our first date, comma, double inverted comma, DDD, means D 3 times, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. We got our first day of the month. We'll drag this to second date also. Now we will select date and day and we'll drag till last date of the month. So we got 31st of Jan. Perfect. We'll come to left and we'll insert the formula for holidays. For holidays, we are going to use the function or formula of VLOOKUP. It will be plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. First date will be our lookup value. comma, table array. We will go to our setting sheet and will select our holidays list from top. We will press function F4 and the cells will be logged, comma, column index number. Name of holidays are in column number 2. So we will put 2 over here, comma 0, bracket close, and we will hit enter. The very first holiday of the year is New Year. We'll click over here, we'll go to formula bar and we'll insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, will come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll click on first holiday once again, we'll go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, greater than, and over here I'll put double inverted comma twice for blank. Means if the cells will be greater than blank, it will be highlighted in some specific color. So I'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select yellow color, font color will be black, border, I'll select some border from here and we'll do OK. OK. So my new year, the first holiday of the year got highlighted in yellow. Now I'll drag this to last date of the month. On 26th, Republic Day got highlighted. We'll go on top and we'll remove the borders, means no border. Now I'll come to right hand side. We'll select this from top and we'll drag this till 31st December. We'll delete this. Perfect. We'll come to left. Now we will highlight every alternate month so that whenever the month changes, we will be able to know when the month is going to change and from when the next month is going to start. We'll select from 1st Jan till 31st December. We'll come to left. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, new rule. From here I'll select classic. In case you are using Windows, you will not be getting the option of classic. You will be diverted to next step, and that is use a formula to determine which cells to format. And the formula will be plus or equal to mod, MOD, bracket open, month, bracket open. We'll take this down. We'll click on first date of the year. We'll delete first dollar, bracket close, comma, 2. The basic reason behind inserting 2, I just want to highlight every second month or alternate month. We'll close the bracket. We'll take this on top. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select a desired color, font color will be white, and we'll do OK. OK. So the month of January got highlighted in green. When I'll come to right hand side, the month of February is in yellow and month of March is also in green. So we can see alternate month got highlighted. We'll come to left. We'll click on top. Over here I'll type from. We'll come to right. Over here we will insert our formula, and our formula will be plus or equal to text, bracket open, min, bracket open. We'll click on first date and we'll select till last date of the year. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged, bracket close, comma, double inverted comma, MMM-YY, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and double inverted comma, space, 2, space, double inverted comma, and text, bracket open, max, bracket open. We'll select our date range once again from 1st Jan till 31st December. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged, bracket close, comma, double inverted comma, MMM-YY, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. So we got our date range from Jan 24 to December 24. When I'll change the month, February, it got Feb 24 to Jan 25. Perfect. Let's come to right hand side. We'll click over here. This will be total leaves. We'll adjust the column size. We'll take this in center. We'll select 2 cells and we'll merge together. We'll change the font style. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. We'll increase the font size. We'll make it bold. Perfect. This will be holidays, week offs. This will be half days, absent or no show. We'll select this and we'll wrap the text. Casual leave, paid or privileged leave, sick leave, leave without pay, maternity or paternity leave. We'll select this and we'll adjust the column size. Perfect. Now we will highlight our heads. We will put some desired color over here. We will put quotes over here. For holidays, we will use 𝐻, 𝐻D, A, CL, PL, SL, LWP, and this will be ML. Whatever code you want to use, you can. Now we will select the whole sheet. We'll go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here I'll put H. We'll select desired color. We'll change the font color. OK. In the same way, we will highlight all our codes. All our heads and codes got highlighted. Now we will select this and we'll create borders. We'll change the font style. We'll make it bold. Now we will select this and we'll create borders. We'll go on top. We'll select this till NQ and we'll merge together. This will be yearly summary. We'll select till end and we'll put some color. We'll change the font color. We'll change the font style. We'll make it bold. We'll increase the font size. Now we will select this and we'll put some color. We'll select 3 cells and we'll merge together. Over here we will type for monthly summary, click here. We'll press Alt, enter, click here. We'll change the font color. We'll change the font style. We'll make it bold and we'll increase the font size. Now we will select this and we'll merge together. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. Over here we will create link to go to our monthly summary, and that we are going to do later. Now we will insert our formulas for holidays and leaves, and the formula will be plus or equal to COUNTIF bracket open range. We will select dates from 1st till 31st. We'll press function F4 3 times, comma. We will click on code of holiday, means H. We'll press function F4 2 times. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got 0 over here. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to custom. We'll remove general and we'll put hash semicolon dash or minus and we'll do OK. So whenever it will be 0, dash will be visible. Now we will drag this down. We'll come down. We'll select this and we'll drag this to right. So all our formulas got inserted. Total leaves. The formula will be plus or equal to sum bracket open. We are not going to include holidays, week offs and half days. So I'll select from absent till last leave. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll take this in center. We'll drag this down. We'll come to the formula of half day. We'll go to formula bar and we'll divide this by 2. Enter. We'll give decimal places. I'll do some entry of half day over here, half day, SD, and we got 0.5. We'll delete this. Now I'll drag the formula till end. Perfect. We will go to left side. We'll go on top. We'll select from first employee till last employee and from first date till last date. We'll go to data validation. From here I'll select list, source. I'll take this to left. We'll go to extreme right hand side and we'll select all the codes and we'll do OK. We'll come to left. So all our codes got created and got highlighted too. Perfect. Now we will highlight our weekends and holidays. We'll select this. We'll select till end, means till 31st of December. We'll come to left. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, new rule. From here I'll select classic. And from the drop down I'll select use a formula to determine which cells to format. And the formula will be plus or equal to, we'll take this on top, we'll select first weekday, we'll delete the first dollar, is equal to, we'll click over here on Saturday because we are going to manage our weekends from here or week offs from here. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select red color, font color will be white and we'll do OK. OK. So our Saturdays got highlighted. We'll go to conditional formatting once again. manage rules, and this is the rule which we have inserted right now. We'll click over here, duplicate rule. Now we will edit our duplicate rule. We'll click on edit rule. We'll remove last cell reference and we'll click over here on Sunday and we'll do OK. OK. So our Saturdays and Sundays got highlighted. Now we will highlight our holidays. We'll go to conditional formatting, new rule. From here I'll select classic and from the drop down I'll select use a formula to determine which cells to format. And the formula will be, we'll take this down, we'll click on first holiday, we'll remove the first dollar is greater than blank. For blank I'll insert double inverted comma twice. We'll take this on top, we'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select a desired color, font will be white and we'll do OK. OK. So our holidays got highlighted. We'll leave this selected, we'll go to conditional formatting, new rule. From here I'll select classic and from the drop down I'll select use a formula to determine which cells to format. And the formula will be plus or equal to and bracket open. We'll take this on top, we'll click on first date, we'll remove the first dollar is greater than or equal to last working date. We'll remove dollar from center, comma, we'll give one more criteria and that will be active, yes or no. So we'll click over here, we'll remove dollar from center is equal to double inverted comma no, double inverted comma close. We'll leave this red color, means light red fill with dark red text and we'll do OK. So you'll notice one thing, if the last working day of the employee was on 1st Feb, we can see the highlight from 1st of Feb. And if it's from 6th of Jan, we can see from 6th of Jan. Here 1st of Feb is not visible. Let's go to right hand side and just check over here. It got highlighted from 1st of Feb. Perfect. We'll come to left. We'll select our date range once again and we'll highlight today. We'll go to conditional formatting, new rule. We'll select classic, use a formula to determine which cells to format and the formula will be plus or equal to. We'll take this on top, we'll click on first date, we'll remove first dollar is equal to today, bracket open bracket close. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill. From here we will select a desired color, font color will be white and we'll do OK. OK. Now today's date will be highlighted, means it will be always highlighted in green. Let's check it. Today is 15th May and 15th May got highlighted in green. Tomorrow will be 16th, so it will be highlighted in green on 16th. So on daily basis, it will keep on changing. Perfect. So this format is ready. We will click on format's name, we'll press Alt and we'll drag this to plus sign. And a duplicate copy will be created. This will be summary. We'll delete all the things from top. Delete. We'll insert few rows. We'll increase size of row number 2. We'll select B and C and we'll merge together. This will be start date. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. We'll select 2 cells and we'll create borders. We'll change the font style. We'll make it bold. We'll increase the font size. This will be end date. We'll select both and we'll create borders. We'll put some color. We'll change the font color. We'll change the font style. We'll make it bold and we'll increase the font size. Perfect. We'll put some random date over here. Enter. We'll click over here, means we will click on date. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format. And we'll do OK. We'll take this in center. We'll change the font color. We'll copy this, Ctrl C or Command C and we'll paste over here also. We'll increase the column size. We'll do this as 31st of Jan. Enter. We'll increase the column size. Now we will delete last working date and all the dates till 31st. Delete. We'll delete all the contents from here. No fill. Conditional formatting. Clear rules from selected cells. We'll remove the borders. It means no border. We'll create borders over here and over here also. We'll take this closer. We'll delete row number 4. Perfect. Now we will delete all the formulas from here. Delete. We'll select from I till L and we'll merge together. We'll put some color. We'll change the font color. This will be summary. We'll change the font style. We'll increase the font size. We'll make it bold. This will be from. Beta I'll select all and we'll change the font style. We'll make it bold. We'll increase the font size. We'll put some color. We'll change the font color. We'll increase font size little bit more. We'll merge two cells. Over here also we will merge two cells. This will be 2. Plus or equal to. We'll come to left and we'll click on start date. Enter. We'll come to right. Plus or equal to. We'll click on last date. Enter. We'll select this and we'll increase the font size. Perfect. Now we will put our formulas over here. Plus or equal to COUNTIFs. Bracket open. We'll go to our mark leaves. We'll come to left. We'll select date from 1st till 31st. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged. Comma, double inverted comma, greater than or equal to double inverted comma close, and we'll go to summary sheet. We'll come to left. We'll click on start date. We'll press function F4 and the cell will be logged. Comma, we'll go to mark leaves once again. We'll come to left. We'll select from first date till last date. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged. Comma, double inverted comma, smaller than or equal to double inverted comma close, and we'll go to summary sheet. We'll click on end date. We'll press function F4 and the cell will be logged. Comma, we'll go to mark leaves. We'll come to left. We'll select from first employee till last employee and from first date till last date. We'll press function F4 3 times. Comma, we'll go to summary sheet and we'll click on code of holiday. We'll press function F4 2 times. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this to right and we'll drag this down. Perfect. One more thing is pending. We will delete this and we'll insert VLOOKUP over here. In mark leaves we have taken the VLOOKUP from setting sheet. Now in summary we will take VLOOKUP from mark leaf sheet. Plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. Employee code will be our lookup value. We'll press function F4 3 times. Comma, table array. We'll go to mark leaves. We'll come to left. We'll select from employee code till active, yes or no. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged. Comma, column index number. We want name, so we will put 2 over here. Comma 0, bracket close. We'll come in the beginning of formula bar and we'll put the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, we'll come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got employee name. We'll drag this to right. Over here we will have to change the column index number. This will be 3, 4 and this will be 5. Enter. Now we will select all and we'll drag this down. We'll take this in center. So all the things are done. Just one thing is pending. We will go to mark leaves. We'll come to extreme right hand side. We'll click over here. We'll right click the mouse. We'll go to hyperlink. We get 3 options over here. Web page or file, this document, email address. I'll click on this document. And from here I'll select summary. And we'll do OK. We'll change the font style. We'll make it bold. We'll change the font color. We'll increase the font size. We'll remove A1 from here. Enter. Now whenever I'll click over here, I'll be diverted to my summary sheet. So this format is ready now. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.